got down. Hope you guys have a good week this week. And today we'll just be reviewing Morse code. And let's start off with a prayer. So xin chào content. Amen. So, kính mừng Maria, để yêu phúc Đức Chúa Trời ở cùng bà, và có phúc là không một ngày nữa về sinh con lòng bà, phúc là Thánh Maria, Đức Mẹ Chúa Trời dành cho chúng con là kẻ có tội, khi này và trong mùa nước tựa. Amen. So I want you guys to get a piece of paper, your notes, or you can go in the description and look at the link to see all the Morse code. Alright? So once you got a piece of paper, we'll get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the first word, and I'm gonna do the starting sequence, and I'll do the ending sequence. Alright, I'm about to start the first word. So let's start. Alright, so if you guys need a replay, just rewind the video. And so you got it written down, it should look like this. So dit da da dit 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 da dit da dit dit da da dit dit da dit dit and dit. And right now, just translate it using the link in the description of your notes, and pause the video. And once you're done translating it, I'll show you what the word is. And so the word is purple. Alright, now that you guys got it, we'll be moving on to the next word. Ready? Alright, once again, you need to listen to it again. Just go back in the video or rewind the video, and you got it written down. Just try. It should look like this. So dit there, dit 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 dit. And if you get that correct, go in your notes and translate it, or use the link in the description. And what you should get is ashes. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Go on to our third word, and once you're ready, I'll start. So alright, you guys got that? I'll move on and show you what you should get. So what you should get is dit dit there dit dit there dit 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 there. Alright? And so once you guys got that, go translate it, and you guys should get fast. Okay? You guys got that? We'll move on to our fourth word. Alright, back in. We'll be on our fourth word right now. And so for our fourth word, once again, just get ready and blow the whistle, and we'll get started. So alright, once again, if you guys need to rewind it just to listen to it again. If you miss anything, just pause the video and rewind it. Otherwise, you will be checking on what we got. So you should get this sequence, which is dit da da dit dit da dit da dit dit there. All right, you got that down. Now look back into your notes or look at the link in the description and translate it again. And what you should get as the word translated is palm. Alright, we're moving into our last word now. Alright, get down for our final word. And so if for this one it's gonna be very long, so I'm gonna slow down for you guys to listen and get it easier. And so let's get started. Alright. Alright. Once again, if you need to rewind to get it again, or to rewind if you miss anything, and once you got it, let's check out our answers. So what you should get is there did did there did there did there did there did and once you got that written down correctly, take a minute, go look at your notes or the website and translate it. Alright, so if you have translated correctly, you should have gotten crucified. Alright, you guys notice any themes of the words that we did? So if we review the words that we did, we have purple, ashes, fast, palm, and crucified. And so if you guys noticed, the theme for this Morse code review was Lent and Easter. And so the reason why I put purple is because in Lent, the two colors purple and pink are the colors that are mainly represented during the season of Lent. And for ashes, I and for ashes, we start off Lent with we start off the 40 days of Lent with Ash Wednesday, and so on Ash Wednesday we had the crosses or the ash crosses placed on our heads, and the next word was fast. So during Lent we should be fasting, as Jesus did in his 40 days in the desert. And so Palm represented Palm Sunday, and that was when that was Jesus' triumphant entry into Jerusalem. And the last one was crucified. And as you know, on Easter, Jesus was crucified on the cross for us, for our sins. And that was the theme for the Morse code review this week. So, you guys, good job, you guys, for doing the review. And so, last thing you guys gotta do is just go and complete the good Google Forms in the description, and that'll be it for this week. So let's end off the prayer. So let's enter content to the men. Saya untuk cuca pada cukong menuju tentang. Ida kacuk yoko wabaya bahapa pada dajung amen. You guys have a good week, and I'll see you sometime later.